MR pressure not building up. Ensure BLC-PA or BLC-PD is on. If MCP not working, Arno Loco. Ensure BLC-PA or BLC-PD is on. Close BLV empty. Check working of blowers. If blowers are also not working, troubleshoot for all auxiliaries not working. If blowers are working, change the position of ZCP, HCP. Check C101, 102, 103. If open, wedge as per requirement. Create leakage by opening MR, drain, cock and work. SIV fitted loco. Ensure BLC-PA or BLC-PD is on. Ensure LSCH-BA is extinguished. If glowing, troubleshoot for LSC-HBA remains glowing without tripping. Close BLV empty. Check working of blowers. If blowers are also not working, troubleshoot for all auxiliaries not working. If blowers are working, change the position of ZCP, HCP. Check C101, 102, 103. If open, check QTD 101. If QTD 101 is de-energized condition, wedge in energized condition and always close BLCP after 5 seconds of LSCHBA extinguish. Resume traction. If unsuccessful, wedge CP contactors as per requirements. Create leakage by opening MR drain cock and work. If MCPs are working, check the MR gauge in both the cabs. If both cabs pressure shows 0 or less, change the position of ZCP, HCP. If pressure does not building up, ensure DAB isolating cocks are open in driving cab. Check leakage from safety valve, unloader valve, auto drain valve, MR drain cocks, Sanders MU air hoses and its angle cocks, C2 relay valve, D1 and D2 assistant loco pilot emergency valves. Ensure MR4 cutout cock is open. In case of leakage from one of the unloader valves or safety valves, isolate the corresponding MCP. In case leakage from all unloader valves or safety valve, isolate VEAD isolating cock. Work with BLC-PD. In case of air leakage from Sanders, isolate the corresponding sander by closing the sander. Cut out cock. In case of leakage or damage from MU air hose, isolate angle cock. Between the locos, build up MR pressure individually on each loco. Resume traction. In case of air leakage from auto drain valve, close auto drain valve isolating cock. In MU dead loco, ensure LT cock MU2B on trailing loco is on closed trail position. Ensure no leakage from IP. If there is any leakage from IP, close IP isolating cock. If leakage from air dryer, bypass air dryer by closing D in and D out and opening D off cocks. Ensure C2N feed valve provided on pneumatic panel is open.